Go.
Jimmy Raccoon, Jimmy I don't care, Miss McDermott, sir. Push!
And who has the fewest drop calls?
Who has the fewest drop calls? They call me the human being.
Really? Is it singular?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Since I have Spider-Man 3.
That's not Spider-Man 3.
Yes, it is.
No. Hey, so what kind of truck does your dad have?
A Dodge,
Oh yeah?
a pickup truck,
Is it slow or fast?
fast.
Oh. Does he drive fast when you're in it?
He doesn't drive it anymore. Chelsea drives it.
Oh yeah. So does he drive fast when you're in the truck?
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Do you have anything else to say?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, what'd you get for Christmas?
A ball machine.
A what?
Ball machine.
Oh, what else?
And Antonello got a popper gun.
Oh, what else?
And I got Red Bulls and a gun.
Oh yeah? What'd Santa Claus bring you?
A Slurpee machine.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready for bed?
Yeah.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Raccoon. So goodbye.